Hey everybody, Anton29C is back. Here's my Sligh mantel clock. Yep. Oh, and want to see how the movement works? I'm thinking of getting some new chime rods for this thing. One of them at the end looks lifted up. Oh, and another one right there. Oh, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got a notification from News Break. Just ignore it. Huh? Master clock repair. 613. No. 614-833-0378. That's their number. You're trying to find a. I should visit that website. Bye for now.